Hi, I'm Luke, and today we'll be opening this Cat Tough Tracks Excavator. This is great for outdoor play. First, let's take a look at the excavator. Oh, wow! And it's made to last. The arm moves, as does the scoop. And even the base of the excavator moves. Wow! Now, let's see how it works. Let's start by digging up some of this sand. Wow, it does a good job at digging it up. Let's get some more. Let's go for one more. Wow, that was easy. Now that we've dug up some dirt here, let's try digging some more up back here. Oh no, someone left a big hole here. We'll have to fill it up. Let's start filling it up. There's one scoop. 2 scoops. There. I think we filled that hole pretty well. This excavator was really fun to play with. It's really cool because it can scoop up dirt and then dump it again. Thanks for watching. Now you can watch another one of my construction videos or one of my friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.